Mario, the most famous dancer in Bali, who already was regarded more as a teacher than as a dancer, because he was regarded as a little too old to dance this dance. On the beach at Sanoa, with Mario demonstrating caviar dancing, while his impromptu pupil, Murda, watches. Gregory Bateson and I were visiting the American dancer, Catherine Edson Mershon. We were walking along the beach at Sanoa with her small adopted Balinese boy. We met Mario out for a stroll, and Catherine suggested that Mario give an informal lesson to Murda. Murda had never had a dance lesson before, but grinning and gay, he falls into the learning style. Part of the Balinese teaching is demonstration face-to-face, but the most important teaching is done from behind, with the teacher holding the hands of the dancer and pushing and pulling and forcing them into place, or putting his hands on the torso of the pupil. Sometimes the teacher watches and then will suddenly pounce to correct an error. This is Karba in the village of Bayongade in his father's arms. His father is already beginning to teach him to dance by demonstrating and by singing. This Balinese father from the village of Bayongade is teaching first dance motions. Mario giving a lesson to one of his regular pupils with a full orchestra playing. Lessons used to be very expensive because it was necessary to have a full orchestra. Today they use tape recordings. Mario then had one of his older pupils continue the lesson to the younger pupil while he criticized from the sidelines. This is a visiting dancer from southern India named Nataraj, and Mario and Nataraj are exchanging lessons to the accompaniment of a drum. Mario teaching Nataraj. Now, Mario leads and Nataraj attempts to follow him. Nataraj demonstrating, and Mario and his assistant attempting to imitate. Mario demonstrating and Nataraj attempting to imitate. Nataraj dancing alone and the orchestra attempting to devise some form of Balinese music that will fit his dance. Nataraj goes off embarrassed by the Balinese laughter. Mario now dances in his famous role, the caviar. Caviar is a flirtatious dance. The male dancer flirts with members of the orchestra. It's a difficult dance because he has to hold the attention of the audience through a long, long sequence.